how the heat sources are. Oh wow. Hey girls, where are ya? Oh, hi, baby girl. She's like, oh, video camera's out. I don't like pictures. I believe that was Madonna. Ouch. Oh, thank you. Oh, this one is still nice and toasty. Got some fake eggs in here. Got them marked because the 4 younger chickens have played a dominance role. Hi! Hi, Dottie! And every time Myrtle lays an egg, they come in, they eat it. This is from Madonna, I believe. They eat it and then they lay their own. But I don't see any remnants. Thank you, girls. Now, let's clear this baby out. I'm gonna have to clean off some of the snow in here. Hi, girls! Alright. Hey, ladies. Hi, Marta. As you can see, Miss Marta here has got some frostbite on her comb. Hi, honey. How's my cuddle bug? There's Pistachio. And, oh, yep, Miss Marta loves the snow. It's Pistachio and Sky. There's Miss Dottie. And Madonna, I think, went back up in. Where did she go? Where's, oh, yep. I don't know if you can see back there. Madonna's up there laying right now. Thank you, ma'am. Oh. And I don't see anywhere. Now, we have got about a foot layer of bedding in here of sand mix on the bottom, on the very bottom, and wood shavings on the top. We did not go with straw this winter because last winter we lost one of our girls due to severe frostbite, and in the spring she couldn't recover. So this year our temps have gotten to, I think our lowest was negative 53, I believe. And it stays, I don't have the thermometer out here right now. It stays, I think the lowest it's gotten in here was about 17 degrees above. So, and the girls can handle that. They are, well, Miss Marta here, since she loves to eat the snow, as you can see over there, she pops her head in there quite often. She loves playing in the snow. and it's caused her a little grief this year. Right. And these girls hate the snow, but they're doing great. They're healthy, producing lots of eggs. We're getting about 2 dozen. Oh no, actually I think we got about 4 dozen last week, so they're doing good. Just wanted to give you a glimpse into our chicken palace.